Hey guys, welcome to another video. In today's video we have a very quick review of a product we have purchased off Amazon. This is a very simple produce/fruit bag which will store your fruits and produce and keep them safe from little pests like fruit flies and gnats. Now this bag was not a relatively pricey thing to purchase. It actually comes in several different sizes for different kinds of produce and vegetables you'd like to store. This is a very simple drawstring mesh pouch made by the company Earthwise. Now you can see these bags are the color white. Very simple drawstring bag. Most of you probably know what a drawstring pouch is, so I won't go through explaining it. But as you can see, it comes in various different sizes for different things. So if you would like to store things like bananas or apples or oranges, things you have lying around in your fruit bowl with all sorts of little bugs crawling over them, then you can put them in this bag and keep them stored safely. Or if you'd like, you could put even bigger things like gourds or melons like cantaloupe or even watermelons, very big things. Now, these bags are very simple mesh bags. You can see very fine mesh. They aren't really that needed because they can easily be DIY'd. All you need is to find some mesh fabric and just learn how to sew a little, and then you can easily just stitch the mesh pieces together and make a very simple mesh bag. But these bags aren't relatively too pricey, so it shouldn't be too hard or too big of a deal to get them. Very easy drawstring pouches. Don't put anything too heavy in here and expect to be able to lift them. I don't think the stitching will be able to hold up to that kind of weight. But these bags are very versatile bags. You don't really need to only use them for produce and fruits. They can be used for a variety of things, just as a mesh bag would be able to do. But they are specified for fruits and vegetables. So now I'm just going to show you just a few examples of these bags storing things. You can see here we have two bags. One of them is a large bag and one is a medium bag. The large bag has 4 bunches of bananas, so yes, that bag does store a lot. And then our medium bag has a bit of oranges and apples stored in it, and it is easily carryable, so you can take it anywhere you'd like, maybe to the office or workplace. But that is a very simple review of the Earthwise drawstring fruit pouches. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, remember to give us a like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.